Time for some business stories. The Nigerian National Petroleum Company Limited, NNPCL, say it is ending its exclusive purchase agreement with Dangote Refinery to open up the market for other marketers to buy petrol directly from the refinery. This means NNPC will no longer be the sole off-taker, and marketers can now negotiate prices directly with Dangote Refinery. The NNPCL explained that the Dangote Refinery and any other domestic refinery are free to sell directly to any marketers on a willing buyer, willing seller basis, which is the current practice for all fully deregulated products such as diesel, aviation fuel, and kerosene. The 650,000 barrels per day Dangote Refinery began the processing of petrol in September. The Manufacturers Association of Nigeria, MAN, has charged the federal government to come up with an industrial policy to guide the nation's approach to industrialization. Director General of MAN, Ajayi-Kadri, gave the charge at a forum in Abuja. According to him, there is need for an industrial policy to guide government approach to industrialization with a view to promoting better coordination between key government ministries such as the Ministry of Trade, Industry and Investment, Ministry of Finance, and the Central Bank of Nigeria. Ajayi-Kadri called for a more deliberate government policy and a coordinated approach with clear expectation, deliverables, and accountability measures to ensure that the government and industry move in the same direction, while urging the government to avoid playing politics with economic policies. The MAN DG said that government officials must be made to face the consequences for making bad policies that lead to economic setbacks for industries and businesses. NGX opened Monday trading in green as investors renewed interest in banking equities. Let's see how it went down. Fidelity Bank Nigeria PLC lead again as today. It gained 10% to close at 14 naira and 30 kobo per share. The livestock feed also gained 9.976% to close at 3 naira and 60 kobo per share. Of course, ABC Trans also gained 9.76% as well to close at 1 naira and 35 kobo per share. Of course, this has pushed up the market up by 0.19%. Volume of trade 1.3 billion worth of shares were traded, valued at 5.9 billion naira in a list of 10,289 lead exchanges among investors this Monday, the first trading day for the week. Of course, looking at the top trading equities by volume, Tantalizer PLC leader table 1 billion volume of shares traded today. UBA United Bank for Africa 38 million shares. Of course, Access Corporation 21.4 million volume of shares it traded today. Some equities ended on the losing side of the market. SOA Motors leader table, it lost 10% to close at 1 naira and 71 kobo per share. The Beggar also down 9.95% to close at 19 naira per share. Of course, Triple Leg also down 9.64% to close at 2 naira and 25 kobo per share. Of course, that's the highlight of stock trading as it went down this Monday on the floor of NGS. Let's see the global stock market and exchange rate data for today. Oil prices extended gains on Monday, with Brent nearing $80 per barrel to build on last week's steepest weekly jump since early 2023, driven by fears of a wider Middle East conflict and potential disruption to export from the major oil-producing region. At the London market, Brent crude sells for $79 per barrel. For the pearl basket, dealers offer $74 per barrel. And that's business. I am Yusuf Akubu.